Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to create a story image using Midjourney, and in the next video we will turn them into full AI videos. First, let's go to the Midjourney website and take a look at what is the offer. Midjourney. This website. We will see option from sign up and login, and also explore a session. Visit that. Here we are. Remember, you must sign up to get access to the Midjourney dashboard, and with here bottom. In the Explore tab, you can find a lot of creative topics that people turn it into beautiful image and video, like that. Or this one. Or this one. Hearing. This is prompt from this video, created by this prompt. Okay. Another. You can also see the prompt that were used to generate those artwork. Reading other people's prompt is very helpful. You can use the same idea and create your own version of the image and video. Big prompt and many details. Today we will create a fun story. A crocodile or alligators comes out of the hotel swimming pool holding a toothbrush in one hand and a toothpaste in the other hand, ready to make a toothpaste crocodile. Now let's jump to my AI studio, where my creative tools are connected together with API. Here you are. I will open the Midjourney panel and choose the Midjourney model. Choose. Then I will write the first story prompt for this story. I want to create 3 or 5 different images showing our crocodile in action. Okay, let's go press this button to render AI image. I waiting. Yes, I confirm image production. Okay. I wanna create prompt 2, crocodile rising from the pool. This is funny and good result for funny face. Okay, let's go create prompt 4, crocodile standing beside the pool. And generate again. Better animated, generate good, and luxury mood, 3D, and using video soon. Okay, let's go create last of prompt 5, and adverse toothpaste. Okay, ready to render and generate. Press the button and wait for generate. Finally, we create last of prompt from crocodile adverse toothpaste in swimming luxury pool, and you can see and download and use from your video. Press button and download that. Then we can download that, or download this, and once. And here we go. These are the final image, and honestly I'm happy with how they turn out. Now we have two options. We can make a short video using this image, or send them to an AI video generate to create moving version. This is how the image creating process with Midjourney work. Prompt and get image back. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like, and maybe give me a little push so I can make even better video for all of yours, and actually for myself too. Have a great day and stay creative. Have a nice day.